Hi and welcome. I'm gonna show you a shaving scuttle I got yesterday on mail. I ordered it a few weeks ago from Steve Woodhead in the UK. He's one of the leading potterists in the UK. And it's made in ceramic, handmade, in teak color. It's very beautiful. And I thought I'm gonna try to lather this together with you for the first time. Fill in the warm water here. So the water come in this chamber around the inner bowl here. And they heat up so you get a warm lather. This is if you go to his website, you can see that he has a lot of different dimensions on his scuttles. I went for the tall, large version, and I think it was a good idea, because it's not so very large inside anyway. The outer bowl is 15.5 centimeters or 6.25 inches wide by 11.5 centimeter high or 4.5 inches high. The lather bowl is 12 centimeters wide or 4.5 inches by 8 centimeters deep or 3.25 inches. It contains 8 deciliter of water or approximately 7 ounces of water. So I'm gonna put in some warm water here and we're gonna try to lather. I'll be back. So now I fill this with hot water. So the outer chamber is full of 8 deciliter of hot water and it's empty here in the lather chamber. So we're gonna start and see what's happened here. I dip my brush, water, shake it a little bit. We go to the soap, start to load it. See, the brush contained a lot of water. It's a synthetic brush, by the way. You're gonna load it real well. Gonna continue. For 30 seconds or so. A little bit more. You see the lather come out of the bowl here now. But I continue to until it starts to feel a little bit sticky. Then I know the bristles have load enough. And I think we are there now. Just gonna scoop this up too. The inner bowl here is only some residues of water in it. So I start with no water. I will see what's happened. It will come lather immediately, almost here. Maybe it's because it's so warm. Well, the warm, I only use tap water, hot tap water. I get my hot water is about 50 degrees Celsius, 120 degrees Fahrenheit. But it feels very nice here, very warm. It's already building up a ladder here. But I will take a few drops of water. The ladder looks very creamy now. But it has some air bubbles, so I go on. Now it looks very, very nice. Look at this. I think only contains little air bubbles here and there. It looks very humid and creamy. Actually, I think it's done. It's peaky. Well, it's complete perfect. I don't know if it's possible to see the shine. It feels very moisturizing, but still cushioning. With nice peaks, no foam at all. This would be a great shave with this lather, and it's warm and nice on the hand. This will be very nice to try out later for a real shave. And between the passes you just put down your brush in here, like this. And it will keep the brush and the lather warm for your next pass. Hopefully through all the 3 passes. I tested this a little bit yesterday with hot water, and it contains the water a good half an hour anyway. The warm here. It was still warm after half an hour, just with the tap water. This could be a really nice experience. Fantastic ladder. It seems like it builds that ladder much faster with a little bit of warmth to it. Perfect ladder for a shave. Doesn't feel sticky, it feels very slick, very moisturizing, but still cushioning. Well, this will be interesting. This was a little ladder review with the scuttle. Hope you like it. If you do, please thumbs up or comment. It's very nice to get comments. Have a nice day, everyone. See you. Bye bye.